students. I hope that you all are happy, safe, and healthy at your home. And I know you are wise enough to keep yourselves away from the crowded area. You will always try your level best to keep yourself healthy and away from COVID 19. Students, your school will always with you and will provide you all the basic requirements which will help you in your study. So, it will the wish of your all teachers, principal and school staffs that God may keep you happy, healthy and safe. So, without wasting our time, we should start our lesson. The lesson, a triumph of surgery. The first lesson. Before we start this lesson, we'll know in short about it. This is the name of a dog, Tricky, a small dog. Is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? We will get the answer of this question at the end of the lesson. And in this paragraph, you are going to get the answer of these three basic questions. Why is Mrs. Pomfrey worried about Tricky? Second, what does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? And third, what does I refer in this story? So if you listen it carefully, you will be able to get the answer of this question. One thing more I would like to say, in online classes we get both of the languages, Hindi and English. But in this video I will try to explain the lesson in only in English and you will try your level best to understand in English language. You all are very intelligent and wise, I know. It will be easy for you to understand. You will be able to see the lines of the page or your book on your screen what I am going to read and explain. So let us start. I was really worried about Tricky this time. The first letter is I, and this I refers to a writer who is a doctor in this story. The doctor or the writer was worried about the dog whose name was Tricky. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. When the writer saw the dog, his name is Tricky, who was walking with his mistress, the doctor was shocked. He stopped his car. And why he was shocked? Due to the appearance of the dog. So what had happened in the appearance? He had become hugely fat, like bloated sauces, with a leg at each corner. The appearance of the dog was not just like the ordinary dogs. The dog had become fat in such a way that it was just appearing a big heap of muscles, meat, sauces, just a big, huge cylindrical body. All the body parts were disappear, only four legs could be seen. It means you can imagine how much fat the dog had become. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead and his tongue lowered from his jaws. Even his eyes were appearing red in color and they were not properly visible due to the plump. The dog was showing the unwillingness and the dog was appearing lazy. He was not feeling better to walk, just his head was straight and his eyes could see in the straight direction. It means It was difficult to move his neck and his head to see around, and his jaws were open and the tongue was out of the mouth. He was feeling difficult in breathing too. So when someone becomes so much fatty and plumpy, the such type of difficulty one faces. And the dog was facing the same. And this was the main reason of wonder for the writer. Mrs. Pomfrey hesitated to explain. Mrs. Pomfrey was feeling shy or hesitated to explain what had happened with her dog, but she tried to tell all the difficulties related with her dog. She told that the dog was so listless, he had become too much lazy. He was not showing interest in anything. Mr. Harriot, here the name of the doctor is Mr. Harriot. He seemed to have no energy. Dog was not showing any type of energical activity, or he was showing that he was energyless, or he was not interested in doing any work. Even he was not interested in walking. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. It was the thought of the mistress. Mistress Pomfrey thought that her dog was feeling the scarcity of energy or malnutrition. He was not going proper quantity of nutrients. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. And that's why Mrs. or Mistress tried to provide some energetic edible items after food. It means she was feeding him, but after that she was going to give him extra. And what those things were extra? Some malt, the cold liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. So you can imagine all these edible items are rich in fat and protein. Dog was already plumpy and usually fat. Even then, Mrs. Mistress was feeling that the dog had the lack of energy, and that why he should be given extra so that he could become energetic. And that's why she started feeding the dog with the malt, cold liver oil, and the bowl of Horlicks at night. Nothing much really, but even then, she was not feeling that she was feeding much to him. In her sight, these edible items were not too much. These were just a little energetic item for the dog. But you know that what was the reality. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Doctor interrogated, asked the question whether Mrs. Pomfrey had stopped giving sweet to the dog. On this, she replied, "Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak I had to relent." She told that for a short period of time she had stopped providing the sweet item or sweet edible item to the dog, but after some time she felt that dog was feeling weakness, and that's why she started once again. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. She knew that her dog had a lot of love for the cream cakes and chocolates, and that's why she could not resist, and that's why she started providing all these sweets to the dog. I can't bear to refuse him. Mist- Mistress was unable to deny or refuse to give him whatever he wanted to eat. I looked down again at the little dog. Doctor was surprised, and once again he tried to see the dog. That was the trouble, and he knew the trouble, the reason of the trouble for his illness was his food. Tricky's only fault was greed. Tricky the dog was greedy for edible item. He could not deny anything. Even after filled his belly, he was ready to eat anything. He had never been known to refuse food. Or you can say that the Tricky did not know how to refuse edible item. Every time he was ready to eat whatever he was provided. He would tackle a meal at any hour, at the day or night. Whenever he was provided the food and edible item, he was always eagerly ready to feed himself, to fill his belly. And I, wor- and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pomfrey hadn't mentioned. These things were not mentioned by Mrs. Pomfrey. She just hastened to explain all the things. She just told the few things, and the many more kept hidden by her. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Another question doctor put in front of Mrs. Pomfrey. Whether she was providing the proper quantity or plenty of exercise. On this she replied, well, he has his little walks with me as you can see. But Hoggy, the gardener, has been down with the lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Mrs. Pomfrey told that yes, she was trying to give plenty of exercise, and for that, the dog used to walk with his mistress. Her gardener, Hoggy, had gone to town or for his own native place, and that's why another exercise, ring throwing, was not done, or for the few days the dog was not exercising to ring throwing. Ring throwing is a kind of exercise in which the rings or ring is thrown and the dog had to bring it to the master once again. In this exercise, the dogs gets plenty of running, and this exercise makes the dogs active and brilliant too. But this exercise was not provided to Tricky for few days because the gardener was not there. So he was just doing the exercise of walking with his mistress. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he's going to be really ill. Doctor was angry. He wanted to shout, but he tried to keep himself calm and tried to make her understand if she was not going to reduce the quantity of food, if she was not going to refuse to give him too much fatty and protein edible item, in reality the dog was going to fall severely ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Doctor strongly advised her that she would have to become hard. She would have become a little cruel for her dog, and she would have to reduce the quantity of the food, quantity of the diet. Otherwise, the dog was not going to get improved health, or he was not going to improve his health. Mrs. Pomfrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. Mrs. Pomfrey tried to show that she had decided and determined whatever the doctor has advised, she was going to follow. But she knew that it was not easy, so her physical language was showing. Externally, she had accepted the advice of the doctor, but internally, she knew it would not be possible for her. Mr. She promised to the doctor, I'm sure you are right, but it is so difficult. But at the end, she told, whatever the doctor was advising was correct. But to follow this advice by Mrs. Pomfrey was too much difficult, so very difficult. She set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new reason in the practice immediately. But the way she was showing, but the way she was trying to pretend or trying to show the doctor that she was really determined, whatever the doctor had advised, she was going to follow his advice and immediately at the same time. So, students, in the further video, we will learn the next paragraphs. In these paragraphs, you will get the answer of these three questions what I have read in the beginning. So, bye and stay safe, healthy, and keep your study continue. Try to join your online classes regularly so that you will get benefited. Thank you. Bye.